increased, you bloom in light, a garden made in the still of night. Your petals whisper tales so sweet, in silence where two hearts can meet. Colors drawn from a wishful mind, origami love hard to find. Paper dreams in fragile grace, cradle hope in your embrace. Paper flowers dance on breeze, roots and dreams set hearts at ease. In a world so tough and strange, you remain a tender change. Ink enfold a story told, in your veins pure gold unrolled. Every edge a tender plea, bound with you I'm feeling free. Fleeting beauty, don't you tap, in your whole life's quiet care. Promise made with paper light, through the day and into night. Paper flowers dance on breeze, roots and dreams set hearts at ease. In a world so tough and strange, you remain a tender change. Paper birds take flight tonight, folding dreams till morning light. Cranes and stars in shadow glow, whisper secrets we'll never know. In my room with paper planes, chasing after soft refrains. Simple folds and magic ink, we become what we can think. Fold away the fears and doubts, paper wings can lift us out. Every crease a hidden tale, origami heart won't fail. Shapes and figures on the floor, paper worlds like none before. Graceful swans and dragons burn, in the flame we always yearn.